Portable folding cookstation brings the kitchen outside with counter and storage space for a camping stove or grill, cooking utensils and cookware. Folding camping table. Folding camp table brings the kitchen outside with enough counter and storage space to accommodate camp kitchen equipment like stoves and grills, cooking utensils and cookware. One-piece powder-coated steel frame unfolds easily to reveal an aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. Quality construction. One-piece powder-coated steel outdoor table frame easily unfolds to reveal a heat-resistant aluminum countertop, storage rack, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. Heat-resistant aluminum countertop, weight limit 48 pounds, is the ideal space for a camp stove. Lower rack, weight limit 35 pounds, for dry goods storage. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome grill stand. I have a portable propane grill. I needed a stand to use out back. I wanted something light, foldable, and portable. I looked up many. This one had the best reviews and best features. I decided to give it a try. I am glad I did. When I got the box, it took me about 2 minutes to open the box and have it all set up. It folds open and closed so fast and easy. It is lightweight and easy to carry and move around, but it is also sturdy. The holders it has for drinks, tools, and paper towel are awesome. I love the ability to have all the side tables open, or some open, or all closed. It is so nice that even if I take my grill camping or to a park, I will probably bring this stand along rather than relying on finding a table, or cooking on the ground. Really, if you need a grill stand for any reason, this is the one. My grill has just metal legs. It was a bit slippery. So, I added a silicone mat to the top. I found one that fits perfectly. See pictures. It is on Amazon and named, Super Kitchen Extra Large Multi-Purpose Silicone Nonstick Baking Mat. Works great and keeps my grill from moving, and any spills go on it rather than my grill stand.